are going to learn today time measurement. We usually measure time by clock, calendar. Now this 1, 2, 3, these 12 numbers represent hours, and these small numbers and small divisions 1, 2, 3, 4, these 60 numbers represents minutes or seconds. A clock have 3 hands. Smallest hands is hour, then minute, and thin hand is second. Our hand locates hour 1, 2, 3, 4, these hours, these numbers represents hour. Our hand, shortest hand, it moves one clock number to next number everywhere. After 3 it's become 4, and when it's become 4, this our hand locate 4. Here 3 to 4. Our hand makes complete rot around the clock every 12 hours, since 12 numbers in a clock. Many times the arrow hands not to be point exactly the number. Here this arrow sign our hand is not located 2 or 3. In this case we will tell this hour 2 hour until it points 3 exactly. Even the hour hand is closest to 3, like this this hand pointing this number, it will be also hours until it passed 3. Minute hand points minutes up to 16 minutes. When it gets 16, one round, when it complete one round, it means 1 hour. And every one big one indicate 5 minutes intervals, multiple of 5. Here 1 means 5 minutes, 2 means 10 minutes, 3 means 15 minutes, 4 means 20 minutes, 5 means 25 minutes, 6 means 30 minutes, 7 means 35, 8 5s are 40, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50, 5 11s are 50, 12 minutes 60, or it's completed a full hour. When our hand pointing exactly 2, it means 2 o'clock, and minute hand pointing 12, so it means 2 o'clock. The hour hand locating exactly 2, nearer 2, it's called 2 hour, and minute hand locating 1 minute, then time is 2 hour 1 minute. When our hand locating near 2 and minute hand locating or pointing 1, then the time is 2 hour 5 minutes. If it's pointing 2, then 2 hour 10 minutes. If the hand is pointing 11, then 2 hour 11 minutes. Here minute hour locating 56, 55 plus 1, 56 minutes, and our hand pointing or locating 2 and 3 near 3, but we will tell this time 2 hour 56 minutes. It actually don't cross 3, that's why time will be 2 hour. Relation between time measurement units here: second, minute, hour, day, week, month, year. These are time measuring units. 60 seconds makes 1 minute, 60 minutes makes 1 hour, 24 hour makes 1 day, 7 days make 1 week, 3 days make 1 month, 365 days equal 1 year. And digital clock, first number represent hour, second number represent minute, and third number represent seconds. So this time is 5 hours 32 minutes and 40 seconds. Here second in second time, 2 hour 0 minute 0 seconds means 2 hour, 12 o'clock. It represents 2 o'clock. And last one, 11 hour 5 minutes 0 second minute, 11 hour 5 minutes. I hope you can understand all the things. Now try to solve exercises. No more today. Thank you very much.